Let's learn short answer types questions. Question 1. What are data preprocessing techniques? Answer. Data preprocessing involves cleaning, transforming, and organizing raw data to prepare it for analysis and AI models. Question 2. How does AI benefit from big data? Answer. Big data provides large datasets that help AI identify patterns, improve predictions, and enhance decision making. Question 3. What role does cloud computing play in AI? Answer. Cloud computing offers scalable storage and processing power, enabling efficient handling of large datasets for AI applications. Now let's dive more deeper to learn long answer type questions. Question 1. Discuss the importance of data privacy and security in AI. Answer. Data privacy and security are essential in AI to protect sensitive information from breaches. Strong encryption, data anonymization, and access controls ensure data is used responsibly. Without proper security, AI systems may expose personal information to risks like unauthorized access or misuse, compromising trust. Question 2. What are the ethical and social implications of data use in AI? Answer. The use of data in AI raises ethical concerns, including bias, discrimination, and privacy infringement. Socially, AI impacts job markets, personal privacy, and can shape public opinion through data manipulation. Addressing these issues involves implementing transparent practices, unbiased algorithms, and ethical frameworks to ensure AI benefits society responsibly.